feel like locking my hair was one of the best decisions I've ever made. What's today? Today is Sunday. We are officially 1 month locked, y'all. Or like, I think it's coming up on a month. But it's wash day. It's wash day. My scalp itch. I got a couple new products. I got a scalp oil. I got a rice water mist. It's all in the bathroom. So yeah, I'm gonna wash it, let it dry, and then I guess we'll start on the actual like retie, but I don't know. I'm feeling kind of lazy, but we'll see. Let's go to the bathroom. Okay, so I have my Meal shampoo and conditioner. I also got a rice water mist. I went ahead and got a oil for my scalp. Then I also got a scalp scrubber. Because what I'm aiming for is like I'm trying to build up a consistent lock routine, because right now the most that I do is like moisturize my locks at least with like a daily moisturizer, and I don't do that very often. And doing research, it's important that I oil my scalp. So realistically, I would like to start making my own oil, but I didn't have time for that, so I went ahead and just bought one. But that of course will be like on my, como se dice, like that's on my to-do list eventually. But you know, I feel like locking my hair was one of the best decisions I've ever made. Okay, but let me go ahead and get set up so I can actually start the process of washing my locks.
For you to want me to catch me, 'cause I'm falling for you. Why would you lie to me? You said you'd try for me, but you done this before, I didn't listen. Said you give me your time, but now you're missing. Now I'm gone.
Okay, oh wait, I gotta take my birth control. Hey, boom. So I'm not gonna lie, trying to focus on like shampooing my scalp and not like run my fingers through my hair, like my strands of hair, kind of difficult, but not gonna lie. Wow, y'all. I gotta boomerang this. I gotta put this on Instagram so they know it's coming. Wow, this is so crazy. I can already see some are unraveling, so I know I gotta go through and like retwist. But I will say, like, as of recently, I haven't found a lot of my two strands unraveling. So that's good. I still get a lot of compliments on it. Like almost every time I post like about my lock journey, I get so much encouragement, and I just feel like that's just confirmation that this was a journey I was supposed to go on. Oh my goodness. Like, what am I supposed to do now? Because I'm so used to like my wash days being like, okay, I gotta wash, I gotta condition, I gotta detangle. I don't detangle though. Like, I mean, I know I gotta go through and I got a part for my retie, but I'm actually really proud of my hair. I said I had to go to boomerang, right? And I gotta give me a thumbnail. Gotta pause my music right quick. Whole section already. I oiled my scalp, and then I also like put some in my palms and did like the whole like my actual locks. I'm about to go through and do that all over my head. I want to make my own rice water. I want to make my own oil, like my own water, everything. If I knew how to make my own shampoo, I would try that too. Yeah, because I was supposed to post this on Monday, but Monday's around the corner and don't feel like it. So yeah, I'm gonna end up, I'm gonna just go ahead on my scalp, moisturize my locks. Oh, I gotta wash my bonnet too. I gotta wash my bonnet and my pillowcase actually, so that's fine. I've been seeing a lot of women, they still do their like protective styles, like braids and twists and stuff, and I've been thinking about it, like doing like maybe some twists for DreamCon, but I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know. I got a pimple. I felt that. Where is it? Right here. Ooh, I want to pop it, but I'm not. I'm gonna leave it alone. 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 I've been seeing too, like, there's been a lot of commotion about Miel and like how their products aren't good, whatever. I know eventually I want to make the switch. So like I said, I want to do like, I want to make my own oil. I want to make my own rice water, which I can. But I like Miel products. I haven't experienced any breakage. In fact, I've actually noticed my curl pattern has come back stronger since I've started using Miel. I've been using Miel for maybe like a year and a half now. And I've noticed good strides. My hair is healthy, it's strong. Especially considering 2 years ago. That's why I have like brown tips in my locks. You probably can't really tell on camera. But actually I dyed my hair like 3 different times back to back to back. It was brown and I had a blue stripe in the front, green in the back. Then I went full blue. And then I ended up doing like a blonde skunk stripe like Wiz Khalifa from back in the day. Like, it was a hot mess. I had to cut all my hair off because my hair was fried, dyed, laid to the motherfucking side. And like when I say like I really had to put in the work to get her back to that afro that I had. And now she's here. But yeah, that's it. I'm done for now. What time is it? Baby, it's 9:15. I am not doing no retie tonight. So, I officially have one half of my head done with my retie. There were quite a few in the back on this side that I had to like actual like retwist that I had to do. Sorry, it's I can't see this mirror real good because of the glare from the mirror that's in front of me, so I gotta keep the blinds closed. And I probably will finish up the back of my head. I'll do this portion here and then finish it off up here. I've seen a lot of people say don't use products when you're doing your reties or retwists, whatever. So I haven't been retwisting or retying, I should say. I haven't been retying with product in my hair, but I am going in after a section is done, and I'm moisturizing my scalp, as well as I'm gonna use some oil and put that on my actual locks. All that you need is... I've been rewatching some of my favorite Disney movies from when I was a kid. I just watched Camp Rock, and now I'm watching Camp Rock 2 on my iPad. Honestly, like, what's the point of being an adult if you can't indulge your inner child? I'm taking myself to Disney World this year. I don't know when exactly, but I'm taking myself to Disney World. I deserve it. My inner child deserves it, honestly. I'm on my last section now. Finally, it's already like 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna finish at a decent time, and then I'll be able to close out the video. This one, I just don't know. Like, all of my other ones are so uniform with falling like to the side. And then you have this one. It always falls like right in the middle. So you take your hair and push it through the loop like this. And then from the videos I've seen, you're going to take your hair and wrap it around once and push the end through again. What I've been doing is taking my hook, and I usually put my finger on the other end of the box, and I push it through once and pull it. I just went diagonally, not diagonally, horizontally. So now I'm going to go through vertically and pull it through, And then I'm doing horizontal again, pulling it through, and then one more time vertically, and I'm pulling it through, and voila, done. But I don't know, honestly though, it's been nice to not have to pick up a comb, I will say.
I'm gone, you made a big mistake. I'm moving on in different ways, but I know that all I wanted was you. Stop lying, wasting all my time when you say you need me.
Mind you, I still need a thumbnail. I've decided that I will be dyeing some of my locks purple. So I think in about, wait a minute, this is too expensive to be wasting. I need to reactivate my Instagram and my TikTok because I deactivated for a couple weeks because I was going through it mentally and I needed a break. I needed to disconnect, but now that I'm back feeling motivated to crank out my content, I gotta start showing up again. So I will make sure the next video, like the next lock video that I post, I'll say it like that, it's going to be me dyeing my locks as well as making my own oil. I feel like that'd be cool. Okay then, if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for hanging with me. I appreciate you. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and thumbs up the video. That helps me a lot, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye.